Hi, this is Rodney Pilbrow speaking. This tutorial I'm going to be speaking about using the KMZ files which we supply to our clients. KMZ files are tiled image files which will open in Google Earth and let you view the aerial images that are in Google Earth against the aerial images that we have captured. So this would be a KMZ file. It has that .kmz extension, and as long as you have Google Earth or Google Earth Pro installed on your computer, then double clicking on that is going to open the Google Earth app. So this is now showing our orthophoto sitting in the real world position on top of the Google Earth images. In Google Earth you use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and the left mouse button to pan the image. And here you'll see where the particular image that we've got comes up in the list of places, and you can tick and untick that image to see it or not see it. And if you have a number of images from different months, for instance, you can be ticking those on and off and get a view of how the site has changed over time. So there are a lot of useful tools in Google Earth Pro. For instance, under this icon here, which is the tools icon or the ruler icon, you can draw a line and measure a distance. So if we wanted to know how far it was from here across to here, so left click here, and it's telling me that this is 55 meters. Similarly, if I want to get a path, I can say, okay, how far is it for me to come from here? And again, left click, continue left clicking until you've got the length of path that you want, and this tells you how long that is. Let's clear those. Another useful one is the polygon. So if we want to know what area is needed for instance, weed spraying, then we click on the polygon tab of the ruler window, and again using our left mouse button, left click, and just work our way around the area that you want. And you can still zoom in and out, move around. Until you get to the extent of the area that you want to measure. And let's say that's the entire area, and this is telling us that this is 1.59 hectares. So this is very useful if you want to, as I say, get an area for some purpose, whether it's weed spraying or perhaps you need to know for regrassing or something like that. Okay, now sometimes you might want to send that polygon to somebody else. So what you can do is to actually create a polygon, and this is the icon here. So left click on that icon and it will bring up a window, new polygon. You can give that a name, and you can give it a description if you want. You go into the next tab to choose the color. Let's choose a red color. You can choose how wide you want the line to be, and generally I would just use an outlined polygon. Don't tend to worry about these two, but the measurements one, you would perhaps want to change it to hectares for using it hectares and meters. Then you go and left click around the area that you want, and you'll see that it's creating the polygon this time in the color that I've chosen and the line width that I've chosen. And when you're complete, you can click on OK, and that polygon then gets saved under your places area.